There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coyote Gamer here. Tuesdays are for the boys. I just sent them.
Feels right.
Alright guys, well, it's like 2 days or 3 days later, my angle grinder stopped working, so I went to my, we've been playing around. This car does have two-step, but it's not fully done. I will be hitting two-step later tonight once I'm done with this exhaust, if I can, so, here is the bad boy, sort of, I guess, cutting my finger a little bit, but she good. So I went bought some extra wire for my welder. I jacked it back up. We got the piping out there, and I bought one of these because mine broke with the actual metal blade this time, and I bought another angle grinder. So today we'll be able to finish this job. Hopefully, because we got a new angle grinder, and my welder works fine, and new wire. So let's go. All I can break down now is that welder or these tools not working, but yeah, let's get to it. Guys, having the right tools always makes the job just so much easier. That thing with the metal cutter, oh crap, the angle grinder, man. Oh, I probably what took me 3 minutes, and but bam, she's out. Like, come on. And I spent 2 hours with the angle grinder. Alright, well, welding time, I guess. It's gonna be hard, but let's get it. I bought these adapter things for O2 sensors, but it looks like my O2 sensor is kind of thick, so it won't fit all the way through. But the thread seems fine, so I'm just gonna cut it like right here and see if that works.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious.
Alright guys, it's like 1:25. Shoot, 1:25 a.m. Right? I started this at what, 10, and that's why the cat was already chopped off. I just had to do all the welding crap. So here I'm gonna show you guys what we got done. We're basically done. I was gonna go. I checked for leaks. There's a little bit of leaks, but it's not. No, it's like barely any. So we got that up front, and then we got that back there, bam, and then we got the O2 right up there. So let's see how let's go take it out for a test drive and see how it runs.